This 5-minute solution will show you how to switch Free Fire account on iPhone. So if you want to use multiple Free Fire account in your iPhone, follow these simple steps. First of all, launch the Free Fire app and tap on the settings icon and select the basic option here. Then you will get this logout option. So tap on logout and select the option from here and tap on logout. Once you logged out, it's time to log into another account. So you can use your Apple ID, your Facebook ID, tap on more to get more option to use a Free Fire account. So right now I will use sign in with Facebook, continue. And this is how we can switch Free Fire account on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.